What's going on, guys? It's Danny. Today we're going to be showing you how to take out a 50cc carburetor on a Bintelli Beast. You don't need to remove any body panels for this. The only thing that you do need is a Phillips head screwdriver and an adjustable wrench. So let's go ahead and get into it. First things first, I'm going to remove this aftermarket cone filter, and you're going to take a screwdriver, and right here there's going to be a little tiny screw. It'll be on your air box as well if you have a stock air box, but there's this little Phillips head screw, and we're just going to loosen that up, and it should just pop right off and come out just like that. And the second thing we're gonna go ahead and remove is this throttle cable right here, and for this you're gonna need an adjustable wrench, and you just put it on this back side like so. You loosen it up so that it's free. You're gonna slide this little rubber thing down, and a lot of people try to take the actual cable off before they unthread this, but I'm gonna show you guys the easier way to do it. So we're gonna just unthread this cable first. You could loosen it and do it by hand the whole way. Just that hangs right there, and then you're gonna open the throttle and you're just gonna pull that out like that. And what this does is makes it a little bit easier, puts a little slack in the line so that you could just pop it right out of place, and boom, throttle cable's out. All right, so we're gonna swing over to the other side, and I'm gonna show you guys how to disconnect the fuel lines. So there's this one connected to the bottom of your carburetor, and then there's another line. This is your overflow that can stay in. You can just leave that alone, and it's a little prong. You just gotta get in there with your fingers and get this little prong off. Let's see if I can do it here. And then the whole thing, you just grab the tube, and it should just pop right off just like that. And to avoid losing gasoline and everything, I would recommend zip tying this, and then you just tuck it off to the side. The next thing you're going to want to disconnect is this electric choke. It goes to where, you know, the right side of the bike. And so I already found it and went ahead and pulled it away. So you just disconnect it like that. You just little clamp, simple enough. So what you're gonna want to do is grab your Phillips head screwdriver, and there's one more screw, which is your intake manifold screw right here. And so we're gonna slide our screwdriver in there. I need a smaller screwdriver. Let's try a stubby flathead, because it is a Phillips and flathead. And you're just gonna loosen it. You don't have to take it out all the way, just like your air box, cone filter, you know, whatever setup you have on yours. And then once that is ready and loosened, the carburetor, give it a little spin and a little force, and it comes out just like that. Alright guys, thank you for checking out my video. Stay tuned for more updates and posts about Bintelli Beast 50cc. Hope you guys enjoyed.